Wall Street. Two things that come to mind when you hear those words are money and rich men in suits carrying briefcases, right? What you don't picture is a young college grad sitting in the corner of her favorite coffee shop, chai latte in hand, making serious money to pay off those college loans. You also don't typically picture a mom gracefully juggling a car seat in one hand, a diaper bag in the other, headed to the park, all while checking a stock on her phone. The thing is, our perception of Wall Street is outdated. These days, women are receiving more acknowledgement for their successes. We all realize that women have more to offer to the world than homemade apple pie. Although apple pie is pretty important. The point is, even with the amazing advancements women have made in the working world, on average we earn 76% of what men earn. How then can you become financially secure and start using your money to make the world a better place? One way is to realize your potential in the stock market and start taking advantage of it. Get rid of this notion that it's a realm just for men, because it's not true. The stock market is a wonderful opportunity for young women to begin building wealth early in life. So, Wall Street, picture you living your best life and trading like a woman.